Hello there, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to this video for working from home people. Even though you're not working from home, don't tune out just yet. You can use this video also if you just haven't moved much today, if you would like to get some stretching into your body, and also if you would just like to reconnect to yourself. Again, it is dedicated to you. If you're working a lot on the PC, if you sit a lot on your chair, and yeah, enjoy this video. Do that as often as you can, at least once a day, I would say, to bring some movement into your body, to refresh the brain and the thoughts. And let's start right here. Thank you for being here. So we begin, or stay seated on the chair, but what I would like you to do is that you shuffle forward towards the edge of your chair. Bring your feet a bit further away from the body, so your feet are underneath your knees and your legs are in a rough 90-degree angle. Allow your arms to simply rest away from your body, arms to hang heavy, and then let's start with 3 collective breaths. Inhale, roll your shoulders forward, up and then down your back. Exhale all the way out. 2 more rounds. Inhale, shoulders move forward, up, and then all the way down your back. Let's bring some movement back into the shoulder joints by doing that. 1 more round. Inhale. And now as you exhale, allow your shoulders to stay where they are, the heart to open, the chest to broaden as you do so. Now hold onto your chair behind you. So the hands are on the chair, or on the seat behind you. Take a full inhalation and start to lift your chest, your gaze up towards the ceiling. Come into a back bend. See how much you want to do here. You don't have to do too much, but you can allow your heart to open more and more. You could allow your head to fall back, but maybe you're staying somewhere in the middle. We just start our practice, so be gentle with your body just yet. Inhaling, lift your shoulders away from the ears. Roll them down your back as you lift the heart towards the ceiling. And then as you exhale, nice and slowly come all the way back to center. For a counter pose, interlock your fingers and stretch your arms forward and away from the body. Round your back this time, open your shoulder blades. Draw your heart a bit closer in and back. Thumbs are reaching towards the ceiling. Palms are stretching away from the body. Very, very nice. And lift your head back through to center. Flip your palms and then stretch your arms up towards the ceiling. And this is one of my favorite postures to do. Even if you're in a call, by the way, if you have a headset on or so, you can still stretch your body sometimes. You breathe in here and you're simply stretching the whole upper body. Now I'm going to return back so you can see me. You inhale to stretch, and as you exhale, lift the body up and over into your side body stretch. Relax the head, relax the neck. Breathe in, come back through center. Exhale over to the right. Now next time as you come back to center, release your left hand down and come more into a side body stretch. Hold onto the chair, reach your right arm up and overhead. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale back through center, exhale over to the other side. And then as you come back to center, release your arms all the way down. Beautiful work. From here, bring your hands onto your thighs and nice and slowly start to walk them forward. Walk your hands down your legs. You can reach the outer edges of your feet if you like, or the back of your legs. And then see if you can rest the head completely. So the crown of your head is drawing down towards the floor. Allow your sits bones to stay connected here. And imagine sending your breath into your upper back. So as you're inhaling, feel the skin of your upper back lifting and stretching. And as you exhale, release. 1 more round of breath in this forward fold inhale. Notice how the belly is pressing towards the thighs. Exhale to soften. Very, very nice. We're going to stay low, but now take both of our arms towards the right leg. And just see how you can do that. You know, if you're further up, it's the same idea. You're just walking the hands over towards the right leg. And now for this side body stretch, allow your head to move somewhere towards in between the upper arms. And notice how the stretch is changing. If you extend the left arm further away from the body or further down the leg here, we're opening the left side body. Breathe into that side. Now let's come back to center. Walk your hands either over your legs or over your feet. Stretch the right arm a little bit further away. Allow your right sits bone to stay grounded, right hip to stay anchored. And then exhale, come all the way back to center. We're going to roll up, so hands come onto the legs and nice and slowly roll your body back up into your seat. Beautiful work. Now from here, palms rest down onto your thighs. Relax your left ear towards the left shoulder. Take your left hand and lightly place it on the ear. You can either stay here if you want to intensify the stretch. However, you could extend your right arm a bit further away from the body. And I suggest you close your eyes here for a moment, allowing any stress to melt away, any tension to release. We're going to repeat the same on the other side. Feel free to keep the eyes closed, head back through center, right ear to the right shoulder. The hand is resting on the ear. Extend your left arm away from the body and breathe into this stretch. Take one more inhalation here. And then as you exhale, come all the way back to center. Now another one of my favorites, although I have many when you do seated yoga practices, we're going to bring the fingertips like acupressure points onto the area of the neck here. All those nice muscles that are sitting there but quite often get a bit tight. Extend your elbows away from the body and then start to create those circles again. And these fingertips of the hands are resting there, so you can almost send yourself a reminder to really relax the shoulders down and away from the ears. Try to bring your elbows forward and together, and then down the back, and just create as big of a circle as you like here, or as you can. After the next round, we're gonna again extend the elbows away from the body. Hold it here for a moment, and then for another side stretch, tilt your left elbow down and extend the right elbow up. And at the same time as you do that, relax the left ear to the right, left ear to the left shoulder. Breathe in, come back through centers, upper arms in a line, and exhale to the right. Sits bones are heavy. Come all the way back to center, and then release your arms completely down. From here, for our last movement of this practice, interlock your fingers at the back of your head. Thumbs are pointing down and you're cradling the head with your fingertips. From here, draw your chin to your chest and start to round just the upper spine, the upper body. So not the whole upper body, it's just those last few vertebrae, the neck muscles. Draw your elbows in, listen to the sound of your breath. And now we're going to open this up and use your head to lead the way into that. The head is pressing into the hands. You're coming through to center. Your elbows are opening, opening, opening. You squeeze the shoulder blades in, and then here, the hands are there to support your head, so your head doesn't have to do anything. And as I do that, I'm just kind of thinking about being on a beach, sunbathing. I don't know what comes to your mind, but really relax your head. Relax your gaze and just enjoy that heart opener for a moment, that positivity that you can draw into your heart by breathing in and out here. Let's take one more breath collectively. Inhale. As you exhale, come all the way back to center and release your arms down. Allow your shoulders to soften. Close your eyes for a moment. And just for a second, become completely still here. Before you start to move into the rest of your day, keep reminding yourself to breathe, to move whenever you need it. You can still be as productive, if not even more. And yeah, if you need any help with that video, just go into the comment section down below, and I hope to see you in another video very soon again. Thank you so much for being here. Namaste.